Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan terkait presentasi saya yang berjudul The Purchase Decision Role of Brand Image, Advertising Attractive and Word of Mouth. Studi on Customer Alicia Beauty Shop in Semarang. Disusun oleh yang pertama Mary Anggun Natalia, yang kedua Aisoleha, Faculty of Economy and Business, University Stikubang, Semarang 2022. Yang pertama saya akan menjelaskan terkait interaction. 1. Cosmetic have become a trend their time become a common thing for Indonesian people experiencing identification with women who are often used to support their appearance. 2. Money cosmetic industry continue to meet customer needs for cosmetics with variant product innovation that are tailored to their demands and needs. Yang 3. This competition between business actors often makes business actors ignore the standardization of the product. They will to customer standardization have a very important role for the possibility of detecting a dangerous product. It is necessary to minimum standard that must be kept in product to produce products that feasible, safe to use. 4. Emina in the naval class brand rails from PT Paragon Technology and Innovation. Emina come with MQ girl impression dan intended for the artist starting a life make of with creative trying new things in a fun way. Interactions 5. According to research the Conjunction 2019, brand image is a perfection, a belief made by customer or reflection association that occurs in customer memory. 6. The attractive of advertising is a means of supporting the promotion program. There the attractive of advertising is net so that message conveys has the desired impact of advertiser. 7. One to the most of effective way of marketing an item or service interact for word of mouth communication so that of the other official customer else get information before making a purchase decision. 8. Based on the phenomena and result that have been described above, the purpose of this study to analyze the effect of brand image, advertising attractive, and word of mouth, the purchase decision of Emina Cosmetics. Selanjutnya adalah penjelasan tentang metode purchase decision. According to Kotler 2012, explain to purchase decision or action for customer to want to buy or not to the product. Of the various factors that influence customer in making purchase of a product or service. Usually, customer always consider the quality, price, and product that are ready now to the public. Purchasing indicator include 1. Product collection, 2. Brand cost, 3. Cost of dealer, 4. Purchase time, 5. Purchase amount, 6. Payment method. Selanjutnya method 2. Brand image. According to Kotler and Keller 2012, explain to brand image is a strong customer perception and belief to the adverse emergence effect and can create competitive effect advance that from information obtained by customer attract experiences, experience using to the product. According to Kotler and Keller, brand image indicator include 1. Image maker, 2. Users image, 3. Product image. Next method, advertising attractive. According to Cutler, explain to the expert attractive in any form of non-personal presentation and promotion in the of idea, goods, or service by sponsor certain advertisement that requires payment. According to Safina, indicator of advertising attractive include 1. Meaningful, 2. Distinctive, 3. Believable. Yang terakhir adalah word of mouth. Joya Joy Joyciana explained to word of mouth is a customer of profits profit information to the people interpersonal that strangers customer to talk about the promotes but brand a product and service to the customer. According to Jaina, indicator of mode include 1. The willingness of customer to talk about positive thing about quality of service and product to other. 2. Recommend company service and product of the other. 3. A card of friend or relative to make process of product and service. Graphic model 1. Brand image X1. Advertising attractive X2. Word of mouth X3. Hypothesis development Hypothesis 1. Brand image has a positive effect on purchase decision. Hypothesis 2. The attractive advertising has a positive effect to purchase decision. Hypothesis 3. Word of mouth has a positive effect to purchase decision. Mathematical model. Based on the graphic model above, the mathematical model is formed as follow. Y. Independent variable. Regression coefficient independent variable. Brand image. Plus regression coefficient independent variable advertising attraction. Plus regression coefficient independent variable word of mouth. Research methods. Object of research. The study this research take to the object as the target in buyer and customer of Amina Cosmetic at Arisa Beauty Shop in Semarang. Population. The population of this study are buyer were also customer Amina Cosmetic at the Alicia Beauty Shop in Semarang. Sample. Determination of the sampling take in the study using non-probability sampling with purpose sampling method sampling criteria in the study are 1. Have purchased Amina brand cosmetic product. 2. Minimum age 17 and older. Sample. Based on the upper formula, the sample and take from large population 1,000 as respondents. Data type. Result of data from response observation of the product used Amina cosmetic purpose. Data collection techniques. The data collection methods used the study was a questionnaire. Multiple linear regression analysis. Research use multilinear regression research method to determine whether the influence between the independent variable, the dependent variable to determine the result of the study where there is positive then or negative relation between independent variable and dependent variable. The test as a condition to the one on the independent variable simultaneous of have an effect or not on the dependent variable. The converse of determines R2 Thus, according to Ghazali, may answer how far the model ability to explain the variance of the dependent variable. Result and discussion. Validity test. The reliability test of validity test use the test whether an indicator the questionnaire of valid or not. How strong the questionnaire item is distribution if the KMO value more than 0.5 and the loading factor value is more than 0.4. The question item result indicator can be classified as valid. The result this study indicate that all questionnaire item this study valid. According to Ghazali, the reliable test was used to measure whether the question item distribute respondent from time to time remained in a table inconsistent position. The result of the cross alpha value were greater than 0.70. The results of a variable brain image advertising attractive word of more than possession decision were declared valid and reliable because the result KMO value all variable more than more than 0.5 and the loading factor value more than 0.4 and the result cross value grand 0.70. This because the question indicator used by research uh, are where several use. Result and discussion, regression analysis result, table regression analysis result, model, brand image S1 on purpose situation Y, keterangan. Keterangan hipotesis accept atau hipotesis diterima. Advertising attraction X2 to purpose decision, hipotesis reject atau hipotesis ditolak. Word of mouth X3 on the purpose decision Y, hipotesis accepted atau hipotesis diterima. Regression analysis result based of the variable cost base of brand image X1 of 0.200 to advertising attraction X2 of 0.129 and word of mouth X3 of 0.610. So that regression model has meaningful of one. The regression coefficient for the brand image variable x1 so value 0.202 with a positive direction that is brand image interests it will interest processing decision. 2. The attractive of advertising has no significant effect to person decision. 3. The regression consists of the month variable x3 so a value of 0.610 with positive direction that is if word of mouth interaction is will inscribe processing decision. Discussion. Uh, One effect of the brand of processing decision is now that the brand image variable a significant standard beta convention. Its main brand image has significant positive influence of the first decision of Amina cosmetic product. Therefore, its back include that statement hypothesis one. This has a brand image then positive effect processing decision accept. 2. The effect of advertising attraction of decision is now that advertising attraction variable is significant standard beta. This internal advertising attraction does not affect the decision of Emilia Cosmetic in a positive direction. It can be include the hypothesis to an interactive rejects. Discussion 3. Effect to word of mouth on persist decision is now that word of mouth variable is significant value and the standard beta converse. This means word of mouth has significant positive effect on the persist decision of Emina cosmetic product. There before and can be included state of hypothesis 3 with treat word of mouth has a positive effect to persistent disable the persist decision of a set. Consolation the consolation that on from the result of the study as follows. One, brand image has positive and significant effect to person decision. The higher the brand image that exists sales strategy, the higher influence than on the person's decision. Two, the attraction of advertising has no significant effect to person's decision. 3. Word of mouth has positive to significant effect to person decision. This show the better the word of mouth, the higher the purpose decision. Suggestion is a hub that further research will as indicator that risk constructs that on with what the currently happening, so more relevant consultant can be done.